In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock maps in Arc Raiders. If you've been wondering how to open up more places to play, the process is straightforward. It all comes down to the number of games you play. There's no complicated checklist to memorize. Your goal is simply to get into matches and play consistently, and you'll hit each unlock milestone naturally as you go. Here's how the progression works. The first stop is the practice range, which unlocks after you've played 4 games. Think of this as your warm-up milestone. Use these early matches to get comfortable with your controls, your loadout, and the overall pace of the game. As you cross that 4th game, the practice range becomes available and gives you a place to fine-tune your aim and movement. Next up is Buried City, unlocked once you've completed 8 games in total. By this point, you're doubling your early progress, and you'll start feeling the rhythm of queuing up, playing through, and steadily building toward your goals. After that comes Spaceport at 12 games. This is a great checkpoint to pause, breathe, and remind yourself that the path is simple. Keep playing. You don't have to overthink it. Just keep jumping into matches and your unlocks will follow. Then you'll reach the Blue Gate at 18 games. This is where your consistency pays off. To make tracking easier, consider keeping a simple tally on your phone or a notepad so you know exactly where you are. Playing in short bursts can help too. Break your sessions into manageable chunks, and the milestones arrive faster than you expect. Finally, the most recent map unlocks when you've played 24 games in total. That's your final milestone in this progression. As long as you stick with it, you'll get there. Make sure you play your matches through so they count, and try to keep a stable connection to avoid interruptions. A few quick tips to make the grind smoother. Set mini goals for yourself. Aim for a handful of matches per session rather than doing everything at once. Teaming up with friends can make the time fly and keep the gameplay fun. Swap loadouts or try different playstyles to keep things fresh while you rack up completed games. And remember to take short breaks. Staying focused helps you play better and enjoy the process. To recap, unlocking every map in Arc Raiders is simply about playing games. 4 for practice range, 8 for Buried City, 12 for Spaceport, 18 for the Blue Gate, and 24 for the most recent map. Keep playing, stay consistent, and you'll unlock everything along the way.